Hold up. Are you telling me this is just a shipping container? No way! Let's see if this tiny metal box can actually feel like a real dream home. From the outside, it looks simple and rugged, just like any ordinary shipping container. But don't let it fool you, because the moment we step inside, everything changes. First, check out this cozy living area. It's bright, modern, and somehow feels way bigger than it should. Whoever designed this definitely unlocked the extra space cheat code. And can we talk about that fireplace? Nothing says relax like a warm fire inside a house that used to carry cargo across the ocean. Talk about a career change. Moving into the kitchen, we've got sleek cabinets, modern lighting, and enough style to make you forget you're inside a container. Cooking here might actually be fun. Well, as long as someone else does the dishes. The bathroom is clean, elegant, and surprisingly spacious. Honestly, I've seen hotel bathrooms smaller than this. Now let's check out the bedroom. Warm lighting, comfortable design, and plenty of storage make it the perfect place to recharge after a long day. It's cozy without feeling cramped. Every corner of this home is carefully designed to maximize space while keeping everything stylish and practical. It's proof that you don't need a giant house to live comfortably. So, would you live in a shipping container home like this? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more amazing home tours. See you in the next video.